Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Look at my adorable little duck lamp. This adorable little duck lamp just makes life a little brighter. Oh, pun intended. Okay, all jokes aside, we absolutely love this little guy. The favorite thing about him is how cute he is. Look at him, he's so cute. I love his little bendable legs that you can style however you want to. I love that he is made out of a nice durable material, and he looks cute just sitting there, but then you light him up and he's a nightlight, which is perfect if you are a mom. So especially if you're potty training and your little kid needs to get up in the middle of the night, he can take his duck friend along with him to the restroom to light his way and make sure he doesn't, nasty all over the place. My little duck friend has 3 different settings for lighting. You can set it on very bright or you can set it dimmer, and it has so many different colors that it goes through. It has a remote so you can set the color, and also it's rechargeable, which is fantastic, so you can plug him in all day and then he's ready to go when your little one is ready to go to sleep. So the durability of this is also something I was very impressed with. It's made out of a very durable material. So if your little one is going to be tough on this lamp like mine is, then it's going to hold up to it. You can drop it, you can pinch it, you can do whatever you want, and he's not going to break or bust. So this adorable little duck lamp just makes life a little bit happier in my household. He's so cute and the whole family loves him. But that's just my point of view.